On the Iconic, the news show this week, the systematic transformation of American society via an open southern border. An investor is arrested for connecting Bill Gates to Jeffrey Epstein. Telling the truth is now a crime. And a bloke with a dick who says he's a woman is cleared of flashing his thing in a women's changing room because the judge says she is so fat that no one would have been able to see his ujimaflig. Yes, I'm talking about planet Earth. Where else would be so bloody insane? That's the Iconic, the news show from 7 p.m. every Friday, and you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.